Okay, here's your answer for number 13, A and B. Well, you can see the answers there in red. So let's see. Question number one states draw angle HEX. It doesn't say acute, right, or obtuse. So I'm just going to draw an angle. So this will be angle HEX. Do a little bit of labeling here. So this is H. This is E. And this is X. And it says the locus of points equidistant from the sides of HEX. And I'll just say a lot of kids will think that and I'll just say this is an interpretation. A lot of kids will think, well, I want to be equidistant from all the sides. In other words, if I was equidistant from one of the sides, I'll draw this real quick free-handed. If I was equidistant from just EX, that would be this hot dog shape. So, or if I was the same distance away from X, and if I was the same distance away from EH, I would be this thing right here. And they usually kind of draw something like that. That's not what it's really asking. What's really asking is you have to be both the same distance away from EX as that you are from EH. And that would be, well, let's see, that would be, can I do a dashed line? No, I can't. I'll just do it in a different color. That would be a bisector of that angle right there. And any point along the green line is the same distance away, Remember, distances are measured perpendicularly. It's the same distance away from both sides. And that goes for any place along the green line right there. So any point along that. So if you are a point along that green portion, this point right here, this point right here, or even this point right here, any point along, you're the same distance away from both sides. So the final answer would just be that green line right there, the angle bisector. So that's the part for A. And B says draw two intersecting lines. Doesn't give me any stipulation, so let's just go with an X. Probably should have made it red, match the previous one. So make two intersecting lines, and one of them is J, and the other one is K. And it states that you need to be equidistant from both J and K. Well, it's the same as the previous one. I'll do it in the opposite red here. So if you're equidistant from J and K, well, then you would be this line right here. I can't make it dashed. But then that would also go through the center and continue onward. But wait a minute. J and K continue onwards. In fact, this side is K, and this side is J. So we would also be a red line that would go north and south as well too, like that. And so what you wind up with for this one is you wind up with two the red is the answer, two intersecting lines that are perpendicular to each other. And there you go. So on the one on the left there, that's the answer to A. The answer is in green. And the one on the right there, the answer is in red. Two intersecting perpendicular lines. And there you go. That is the answer that you requested.